boys and girls, it's Mrs. Quintillion. I am going to do a handwriting page with you. You are going to be on page 38 and 39. On 36 and 37, if you remember, we did H and B. They were both diving letters. So we dive down and we swim up and over. These are H, and it says trace the start, make the letter B. So we are going to make a letter B out of a letter H. Remember, you're going to dive down, and then you go around, so you swim up and over, and then you go back down. To make the letter B, you dive down, go back up and over, and down. But then to make the B, you go and bump the line and swim and go around, okay? So it's H, dive down, swim up and over, down, bump, and around. Okay? So it's H becomes the letter B. So you can keep saying that as you draw them out. Dive down, swim up and over, down, and bump around to make the letter B. If you do the letter B this way, it's going to not be backwards, because sometimes our backwards B's and D's can confuse us. Remember that you're diving down, going up, swimming over, bump the line, and around. So it's H makes the B. And on the corner of your page, it has a little honey bee, right? Dive down, around, okay? Less likely, diving down, go up, bump the line, and around. So we are starting at the top down writing. So I want you to make those H's into B's. When you go to copy the sentence, there are a few H's, or at least one H and one B. So you're going to write this and copy it on the line. Look at Mrs. Q. I am starting at the top. E, we hit the ball, run the bases. We go down with R. Hit the ball, run the bases. Here is N, H. Again, down. F is another one that we need to be careful of. F goes around. We go around. For A, honey. There's that H, honey. Here's the B. Dive down, swim around, bump the line, and around. And always with a period at the end. Here is an H for a honeybee. At the bottom of the page, you will see both H's and B's with these words. Okay? So you are going to do both the H and the B. These are all rhyming words that have H or B. Make sure you're following the way that we write them, going from top down, diving down, and then swimming over to make those H's into B's. For the next page, page 39, we are going to do what we call a little find the words. It's a little game. If you want to do it on your own and you're pretty good at doing that, then go ahead, stop this and go ahead, do it on your own. And then you can come back to the video and check it once you're done. I'm going to go ahead and do the next page. Once again, page 39 is kind of a find a word page. So we're going to try to find the words in the box. Okay? Find the words, then we'll write them on the paper. So, first word they found for you, chair. You see it there. The next word, cool. I'm going to look to find the word cool, and I see it right here. So I'm going to circle the word cool. Whoops. Sometimes it's hard on our smart words. They don't like to do exactly what we're telling them to do. There's the word cool. So then you write it as best as you can on the line. I'm going to check it off. Duck. I'm going to search for the word duck. Duck. I'm looking for a D-U. So I hunt and I find D-U-C-K. Duck. Cross it off. And then I'm going to write the D. Remember, D is a C that makes a D. U-C-K. Pay attention to how we write those letters. It's important. Hot. I'm going to hunt for hot. I'm wondering if it's off my page right now, and I need to find it. I'm going to look for ring next, because I want to make sure I can find. Mrs. Q is looking. All right, I'm going to see what I find. So here's pool. There's pool. So I'm going to write pool on my list. Pool. Don't see hot yet. You might see it before me. I think one reason is I don't have all the letters right in front of me, so I'm looking for them. You can pause the video anytime so you can wait to do the rest of the page. Okay, boys and girls, so here is the final puzzle. Make sure that you found the words and then you have written them over here as soon as you find them, and then you can cross them off. Okay? So if you found it, then you cross it off. There's our H. Make sure you're writing, top-down writing. You can always go back in your book to double-check how you write the letters. We want to be able to write words so people can read them. Have fun with the little word puzzle. See you later.